Hey kiddos, good morning. So today we're going to do topic 8, okay? And we're going to be understanding place value. So go ahead and pull out, let me get to the page, 8-1, okay? It's on 449, okay? So I'll wait for a second while you pull that one out. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk about the science on the front page, okay? Oh, my camera is all messed up. All right, there we go. Okay, it says understand place value. Essential question. How can you count and add using tens and ones? Oh, goody. We know how to count by tens and ones, but now we're going to learn how to add by tens and ones. Okay, so here's your science project, and I'm going to link a video for your parents to watch with you, and you guys can make this at your house, okay? Okay, it says there is more daylight during the summer than there is during the winter. Have you guys noticed that now it gets really dark, like around 7 or 8 o'clock? Before it used to get dark way earlier. Have you guys noticed that? Wow. Let's do this project and learn more. All right. It says Math and Science Project, daylight throughout the year. Find out, talk to friends and relatives about why there is more daylight in summer than in winter. Ask them to help you find information about the changes in daylight each season. All right. So you can talk to your friends and your parents and your sisters and your brothers if you'd like to about what's going on right here. But I'm also going to link a video so that you can watch it, okay? It says journal, make a book. Draw pictures of the tilting globe and the sun at different times of the year. In your book, also add labels to show summer and winter. Write a sentence to describe the patterns of seasons in your own words. Okay, remember the seasons are fall, winter, spring. Oh, I wrote it on the writing. Sorry, guys. Let me limp it up here. So there's spring and summer. Okay? So your job is to figure out why we have spring, summer, winter, and fall. Okay? All right, let's flip the page. It says review what you know. Oh, goody. We know how to do this. It says circle the tens digit. All right. Remember the first spot is called the ones place. So which one do you think is the tens digit? Yep, you're right. It's the 4. All right, it says circle the ones digit. We know which one the ones digit is. That's easy peasy. That's a 6. Okay, use the 10 frames to find the sum. 7 plus 9. So let's figure out how many red dots we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7. So I'm going to make 9. And I'm going to make X's so I know they're different, okay? But I want to fill in the empty spaces first. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Do you guys think you know how many there is? What's 7 plus 9? Ooh, too good. 16. Good job. All right, number 4. Write the number that comes next when counting forward by ones. Use a hundreds chart to help you. All right, if you guys don't have a hundreds chart, you can find a hundreds chart online. Just ask your mom and your dads to help you find it, okay? But I know that if I cover up the 100 part at the very front, it's going to go 10, 11, 12. I know what comes after 12. 12 is easy peasy, and that's 13. But we're talking about 112, so maybe this is 113. Do you guys see what I did there? Okay. Maria counts by tens. Oh, I'm going to circle that. That's important. She starts at 30. Write the missing numbers. Oh, we know how to count by tens. That's easy. So what comes after 30? Yep, you're right, 40. Okay, what comes after 40? Yep, you're right, 50. 50, 60. Oh, what comes after 60? 70. Good job, guys. All right. Write the missing numbers in the part of the hundreds chart. Okay. Oh, good. This is easy. It's just filling in the blank. I know that after 42 is 43. What comes after 44? Yep, 46. Okay, now look it. After 46 is 47, but does it go 47, 53? Mm-mm. So this is a different one. So I'm going to write a line in between so I know that these are two different sets, okay? All right. I want you to try this one all by yourself, okay? And then we'll come back to it. So if you like, you can pause the video right now and you guys can try it out, okay? And then I'll come back to it and then I'll show you what answers I got. All right. So these are your word cards and they want us to learn our vocabulary. So tens are going to be the long bundle, right? So 35 has 3 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So there's 35 altogether, but there's 3 bundles of tens. So if I count by tens, they turn into 10, 20, 30. 3 tens is equal to 30, right? All right. So whenever we see these long bundles, they're called tens. All right, let's look at ones. Ones are our little leftover guys, the ones that are individually all by themselves. So 42 has 1, 2, 2 ones. All these little guys are all by themselves. We know that those are the ones. Okay? Oh, there's some stuff on the back. Okay. There are 2 tens and 7 blank in the number 27. I got 2 tens, so I'm going to draw it. All right? Okay. I got 2 tens and 7. Is 7 10? Is 7 the same thing as 10? No. So I'm going to draw it on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? So what were these guys called again? The ones that are individually all by themselves? If you don't remember, I'm going to flip the page back over. You don't have to flip it, just me. The ones all by themselves are called ones. All right. Let's check this one out. There are 6 blank and 8 ones in the number 68. So I know there's 8 ones. So I'm going to draw my 8 on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 6 something and 68. That one's kind of tricky. So I know 8 is in the 1 spot. What's 6 in? Is 6 in the 1 spot or in the 10 spot? Right, in the 10 spot. So I'm going to draw 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them, right? So there's 6. You don't remember the word, you can flip it back over. When we have columns, the columns are called tens. Yep. All right, and that's what that looks like. You can pause it right here, okay, if you need to. But I'm going to move on to the next page, okay? Okay. So we always got to write our name. Okay, and let's read it. You ready? Use counters in 10 frames to show 15, then 12, and then 18. Tell what is the same and different about each number you show. Okay, we don't have counters, but I have a puzzle right in front of me, so I'm going to use puzzle pieces. You can use whatever you'd like. You can use Cheerios, you can use tally marks, whatever you'd like, but I'm going to use puzzle pieces because I'm literally sitting right in front of a huge puzzle. Okay? So the first one says that we have to make 15. I'm going to make 15. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how I filled all one up? But I have to keep going. I got to do 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 10 up here. I got 5 down here. So what's 10 plus 5? Anyone know what 10 plus 5 is? Yep, you're right. It's 15. All right, let's try the next one. The next one's 12. Okay, should I get rid of this one? Or can I keep it? Because I know that 12 is bigger than 10. That's right, I'm going to keep it because I know that 12 is a bigger number than 10. So I have 10 right here, 11, 12. So our next one is going to be 10 plus 2. Who knows what 10 plus 2 is? Yep, you're right. It's 12. Good job, guys. And did you see how I didn't have to count this one? I already knew this was 10, so I can count on from 10. I could go 10, 11, 12, right? All right, next number we got to try 18. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to keep my 10 on the board because 18 is bigger than 10. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, my next one is going to be 10 plus 8. I know there's 10 there, so I don't need to count 10. I can start at 10 and go from there and count on, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Bam, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? All right, so now you can clear off your counters. Okay, and we're gonna flip the page. But we're gonna start on a new video, okay? All right. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.